Hi, welcome to the instructional video for the database CultureGrams. And as you can see by this site, there are different types of CultureGrams, but we're going to go to the Kids Edition, which is just for kids or students. So when you click on the Kids Edition, you get a map of the world with different regions. And if you wanted to, one way to search would be to click on one of the regions, let's say Asia, and then you get a map and specific places where you can locate resources. So that's one way of finding information about a particular place and its culture. Another way to gather information on this site is to use the tabs up here. So we're going to explore a couple of the tabs and see some of the features that are offered on this site. The first one is videos, which offers a database of only videos that have to do with the culture of a particular place. So for example, if you clicked on Albania, you could look at two different videos, one of Albanian dancing and one of wedding singing. And for each of the different places, there are some videos that either show you a particular place in that region or show you a cultural tradition. So it's kind of neat to search that way. Another bar that's pretty cool up here are the famous people. So let's say you wanted to learn more about political leaders or celebrities, anyone famous in a particular region. You can again go ahead down and search. Let's stick with Australia. And they give you short bibliographies of people from that place who are famous. Another feature of this site are recipes, which I think is pretty neat because it's something kind of unique that's not often offered on an informational database. But again, let's stick with Australia. If you click on Australia, then you get some recipes that are common to that place. So a traditional Australian meat pie, and it gives you directions on how to make it, and then a couple of other things if you scroll down. So I thought that was kind of neat. So this is CultureGrams, and I really like it just because it has a variety of different resources from the tabs you can see up here: slideshows, videos, interviews. So it's not just an article that you read. It's much more in-depth and comprehensive than that. So I hope that you enjoyed this tour of the CultureGrams site.